How to fix blurry Canva images. So first things first is to go to their website, canva.com, and then you need to upload the design that you want to enhance. Now once you uploaded the image, just simply click on the photo and then go to edit image and then go to adjust. You scroll down. Now these are the things that you need to enhance: the sharpness, the clarity, brightness, contrast, and highlights. So I'm gonna go with 100 on sharpness and around 50 on clarity. And once these two features has been changed or enhanced, this is where you need to like finishing touches. You might want to go with like not little too high, and then around 30 on contrast. So as what you can see, the image got sharper. So that is how you fix blurry Canva images.